Okay, we are live. Yeah, we are live. What's up? I'm gonna keep working, I think, on the same stuff I was working yesterday. I don't know. Yeah, let me figure it out. I didn't have a plan for today. I'm still just testing the setup. Yeah, seeing how things are going. I swapped the setup. I was using Streamlabs yesterday. I am back in OBS. So yeah, let me see. Let me refresh this media source. Okay, let me see. See if it's capturing. Where is the monitor? I cannot see the Windows monitor on OBS. So let me see. Bro, what? Where is the monitor? Okay, there it is. Okay, there it is. Hell yeah, we are good. Just scale this up. Yeah, let me make it bigger here on the vertical canvas. Okay, we're good. Let's start. Okay, so yesterday, last thing I was working on while being on the stream. Okay, OBS is killing the performance here on this. I think it's good. Yeah. Okay, let me try this. Let me test out what I was working on yesterday. Let me see. Okay. Let me close that up there. The image is stuck. I can see the image is stuck. Okay, let me debug that. Let me fix that. I don't know what's up with this, dude. It is not working. Bro, where did that monitor go? Give me a sec. Okay, let me see this one. Dude, there's always some shit not working. Did we run an ad break? Okay, let me see if I run ad break. Okay, yeah, we got an ad. Okay, I think we're gonna stay with that. Let me see if this is working. Yeah, we are good to go. Okay, let me check out the battle stuff I was working on. Yeah, we're working on the VFX, like some charging stuff for the enemies, so it looks more visual now, the attacks of the enemies, instead of just the animation of the enemy moving, like hitting the player. That's what I had been working on. Let me see. Just test things out. I don't know about that one. I seem to like, yeah, like that animation is too quick. I think it is too quick. So let me see what's up with this one. Yeah, let's try that one, the standard shot. I want it to be more dramatic, I suppose. And I can see the animation of the effect. I also can see it keeps lingering there. I don't know why. It's this one. Let me see. Okay, yeah, regular shot. Okay, so we're using the classic shot here. And Let me see, what else do we have here? I am not gonna use one of the new ones because those ones are, yeah, for the bigger type of effects, bigger type of attacks. Do I have anything here? Arrow cast. Now let me see if we have any blueprints here. If arrow projectile, bomb edit. VFX gunshot. Okay, I'm not spawning. Yeah, here I'm spawning. Okay, this one. Yeah. Oh, that's the one I'm using. No, this is not. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, I didn't think I was using that one. This one's VFX gunshot projectile. Okay, let me see. Yeah. So no, not that one then. Let me find another one. Suppose it would be on stylize. Okay. Blueprints. I've got some stuff around here. One explosion. Let me find something. Spawn ice shot. BP shot. Okay, let's see BP shot, what it's doing. Okay, yeah, level. Okay, does the level change the effect? Let's just try that one just to see what's up with that one. Okay, that's good. Let's try the standard shot. We'll see. Nah. What the fuck is even that? What is that even doing? Ah, yeah. Yeah, that's doing nothing. It doesn't have an animation. Yeah, no, we are not using that one. So no, this one doesn't have anything that does have a projectile. Okay, so let's see what's up with any other one. Let me see. What the hell is cosmic projectile? Fire projectile, electricity projectile. Yeah, this one is from this pack. Let me see. I can't recall if I was using this one and I didn't end up liking it, so let me see how that feels. If not, I'll just keep that one and maybe just go and tweak the Niagara effect to make it more cool. Maybe I'll just go and do that. Yeah, nah, that one doesn't look good. Yeah, let's go back to that one, and I'm just gonna tweak the yeah, gunshot. Okay. Yeah, let me see. So it's this one. So what is that using? Let me see this one. What's the name? Effects gunshot. Gliding gunshot projectile. I'm using a gunshot projectile too. What was that one? I can't recall what I was doing with this one. Chat working? Yeah. Okay, we are good with the chat finally, unlike yesterday. Okay, so this one, let me open up that one. Projectile 2. Okay, this one's generating this gunshot projectile 2, which would be projectile. Okay, it's this one. Scale overall. Let's see. Maybe the scale does work. I don't know what it keeps lingering a bit. Yeah. It does have the auto destroy. Yeah, so it's let's see how it feels. Okay, that's cool. Let me see how this one looks. I just was feeling like the bullet was looking not okay. That's good, but what the fuck is that? What the? That is good, but where the hell did that came from? This line? Yeah, I can see that line. Yeah, that's what I was looking for. I'm just wondering like where that line comes from. Okay. Yeah, where's that one coming from? This DF, I can see it here. Is that? Yeah. I've been using this effect for a while now, and I do not know when did this started happening. Yeah, spawn time, lifetime. Okay, let me see. Let's change the lifetime here. 2 seconds on this one. Maybe that helps. Let's try it again. I'm feeling the animation of the attack of the enemy is a bit too slow now, but I'll tweak it. Okay. Yeah, it works. It does kill it in 2 seconds. Not as it should. So let's try 0.5, like something really quick, so it doesn't even. The things that, yeah, I don't know what's up with that one, dude. Why it keeps leaving that line behind. It wasn't like that before. I don't know what I changed on the settings one time that I was tweaking effects, and it stayed. No, I think that's good. It's good enough that like the velocity of the attack of the enemy. We'll keep that one. Bro. No, it doesn't work. Even if the lifetime of the Niagara effect. Yeah. When did I fuck with this? That I changed it. Okay, let me see what's up with that arrow projectile stuff. Gunshot projectiles, VP, VFX. Let's see what this does, if it works in any way. Okay, no. Interesting, but no. Yeah. Yeah, because the arrow has that curve, the physics. No, it's not that one. Dude, when did I don't know when did I fuck up that effect. Okay. Gunshot projectile. Okay. Oh, okay, there it is. I don't know what the fuck did I do with the other one. That's the right one. Okay, so we're gonna gunshot the, yeah, this is the right one. We are gonna change the scale to maybe 2.5. Is this that one? Let me see. I want to be sure. It's that one. Yeah, BP effects, gunshot projectile. Okay, this is gunshot projectile 2. This is gunshot hit. Okay, yeah, here's the color. Yeah, that. Okay, we're gonna leave it at 2.5. I think this does it. Yeah, that does the trick. Yeah, that's cool. We're keeping that one. Hell yeah. Okay, let me see. I can see some red color lingering there. Where is that red coming from? Glow color 2. Oh, that's blue. I don't think it bothers me. Yeah, I think I'll keep it. Okay. Let me just check something here. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's try it again. I'm still on the fence on the enemy attack. Let me see. Spawn, system application, classic hit, classic shot. Yeah. What am I even doing? Okay, this is. Now we're keeping that one as it is. Okay, or maybe not. Okay, this one's PP projectile. Holy energy. Projectile movement. Initial speed 500, max speed. It does feel a bit slow, right? What about 1,000? It may be too extreme. But let me try it. I'm gonna have to tweak the timing of the other effects. But maybe it looks stronger if it's quicker. Okay, there it comes. Did it change? Okay, let me see. What about 10,000? I don't think it's doing anything. Yeah, let me see if it's doing anything. I didn't feel any difference. Yeah, no difference. I'll come back to that one later. Yeah, I'll tweak that one later. Let's go back to the projectile 2. This is... When did I add that delay there? Okay. Anyways, let me see if this thing, spawn system application, hit, holy, yeah. Yeah, this is holy energy. What does optimize do? I'm just gonna click it because if it looks the same, I suppose the optimize. Yeah, I think there should make it better, more performant. Yeah, we're keeping that one. We're keeping that one. Let me see. Now we're gonna start doing that factor. Yeah, I'm gonna use the same thing as I'm using. I should just refactor all of that into its own yeah, change enemy effect. Yeah, enemy attack effect. Yeah, I'm gonna change the name of this one. This one's gonna be enemy attack hit effect. And we're gonna do another one here before that. And that one's gonna be here. Okay, let's turn this shit into 0.55. No. This one's gonna be collapsed function. This one's gonna be, gonna rename this one as enemy attack energy effects, because it's the energy coming out of the enemy. And I'm gonna grab this from this one, and we're gonna do this. Yeah, I'm gonna use the enum I was already using to set the type of effect. Okay, this one's gonna be default attack. Let's see if it works here. Okay, and if it's water attack, we're gonna change this one. This one's PP projectile holy energy. Let me see. Where does that one come from? Okay, this one's from projectile hit VFX. Got ice crystal, ice cool, projectile magic. I'm just gonna use Sonic Blade. Let's try that Sonic Blade shit. Yeah. Okay. So this should work now. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna set this enemy to use water attack. Yeah, it's got water attack right now. So the enum we built before should let us swap the type of attack. Okay. Yeah, there it is. It was compiling the... Okay, so let's go and open up that get called Sonic Blade. And we're gonna click... Oh, it's in optimize. Okay. It was compiling. Yeah, it's just the first time, so it should appear right now. This is just an editor type of thing. Yeah, there it is. Okay, that should... Oh, that one's quicker. Yeah, I can see that. That one is quicker. Yeah, so... Yeah, that one's quicker. Okay, so let's refactor everything here. Okay, I'm gonna call that vignette. Okay, so... Okay, let me think. Where... Oh no, I cannot do it in that way because we've got the delays. Okay, I'm thinking. Yo, the fuck is this? When did I? Yeah, this is a mess. Well, I'm gonna start organizing this shit because it already looks like a fucking mess. I can see a lot of drop frames. Yeah, I wonder if the stream is looking good. Okay. Let me think. How am I gonna approach this? Yeah, because why aren't those? Let me see. Projectile movement. Ah, this one sees. It wasn't doing anything. I feel that was doing nothing on the other one. Let me see if it changes anything this time. No, it doesn't. Where the hell is that coming from? Okay, Sonic Blade. Let me see. Yeah. Is there anything here? No. There's nothing here that changes that. Oh, yeah, multiply scale, yeah. Class settings, class defaults. Speed. Ah, is that speed coming from? Okay, let me see. Class defaults. Okay. Yeah, I think it's this one. This is the one that's setting that. Maybe the 1000 number looks better than the other one. Than the slower one. But let's see. Okay. Okay, yeah, there it is. That's the number we were looking for. It does feel slow. Yeah. Now that I'm checking it out, it does feel slow. So let's copy this one to this one. Yeah, I think this one should do the trick. Let's try it again. I want to get the feel of it. Okay, that one looks cool. Nah, it's too quick. Yeah, we're keeping the other one. 750. Yeah, 750 it is. On the speed. Oh, okay, let's see if it works. Us swapping the attack now. Yeah, it should get back to the other green one now. Yeah, there it is. There it is. That works. Okay, we're gonna save that. And I'm gonna keep it in water attack. So let's edit all of these ones. Yeah. Okay, this one's gonna be 700. What is this? Arrow. Okay, let's just try them out. I'm gonna try them out. This one's particular. What is Comet? Yeah. Okay, that is correct. That's interesting, but not for this type of enemy. It does look interesting, but it's definitely not for this one. And it's quick. It's too quick. No, dude, I'm on the fence on the speed of this shit. Yeah, let me see. What do we have here? Okay, so this one, blah, blah, blah. And this one happens 0.55. Yeah, for this one to happen. Okay, so we'll leave this at 0.20. Because that speed does look interesting. I still want to be able to see the effect, but it does have to feel dramatic. Okay, let's try that again. Yo, what happened? Didn't I change that? No, wait. 1.4. Now we're keeping it at 700. Yeah, it's too much of a headache to be tweaking that shit that I had already tweaked. Okay, so let's see. 700 for that one. Yeah, I can see it now. But I'm wondering. Yeah, I'm wondering about the speed. Yeah, let's try that again. Yeah, I'm gonna keep that one, I think. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah, we're gonna keep it at 700 near the ice crystal. Okay. Let's swap that back. So this one is gonna be... Okay, we're using the holy here. Sonic blade on that one. Fuck is Thunderbolt? Ah, interesting. Venom Dart. Ah, Venom Dart. Dude, I like all of them. Magic Lance. Ah, fuck, this one looks cool too. Oh, Ice Crystal. Let's try Ice Crystal. I know it looks like ice, but maybe it works with the water one. Ice Crystal. Yeah, did it happen? No. I think it was compiling. Let's try it again. Oh, that one's colliding. Yeah, this one has a more sensitive collider. But that one does have that issue we were having yesterday. Let me see. Affects enemies, spawn point. Enemy recharge. What the hell is that? Okay, let's try this ice cycle, magic lance, shuriken. Let's see that magic lance one. Yeah, let's try that one. Okay, let's check it again. Yo! That bug came back. What the fuck's up with that bug? I can see it's happening with some of them. It's not happening with the other ones. Okay, let me try Sonic Blade. It's not happening with Sonic Blade. Why do those ones always spawning dark collisions? Yeah, that is correct. Yeah. So those ones are constructed in a different way. Yeah, let me see. That one fucking works. What is happening with the other one? Okay, that one works. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, so what is up with these ones? Why doesn't the... Yeah. The magic lance, okay. Let me change this FX enemy attack spawn point. X enemy attack spawn point. They're fucking colliding with something. I don't know what it is. We're gonna have to do that same stupid debugging I was doing yesterday. Yeah, let's try the magic lance. That one does have that bug. Okay. Yeah, that bug is not happening there now. Why aren't they fucking constructed? All of them the same. Okay. Is it colliding with this shit? No, it's not, because that one does have the collider disabled by default. I just want... That has the collider. Yeah, so it's not colliding with that. I am sure, I am certain it is not colliding with that one. Yeah, it's something else. Yeah, it's not that one. What are you even colliding with, dude? What if I move it there just a little? Yeah, what the hell is happening here? What the... Dude, what? I don't get it. The other ones work, this one doesn't. I don't get why. Okay. Now it works. So it's colliding with some shit. Just don't know what shit. Let me think. Let me think if I do not hate that position of the spawn point. Nah, I hate it. It's not where it should be. Has to be where it has to be. Okay, let's undo. Let's figure out what the fuck is it colliding with. Change class min value. What was I changing there? Let me see. I'm checking something here. Okay, I'm checking something here. Give me just a sec. We're gonna ban this bot from the chat. Where is that dude? Can I do it here? Nah. Okay, I'll do it later. Yo, what's up, Blackwater? Dude, yeah. I was just like, yeah, what the fuck's up with the bot? What's up? What have you been working on? Thanks for coming back to the channel. What's up? What are you up to? What are you working on? Yeah. I don't know what's up. Yeah. Just working on your plugin continuously. One day maybe people will pay me to make them plugins in Godot. Dude, just getting paid at anything on the internet is hard, dude. It can be a game, a plugin, music. Shit is hard, dude. I feel you. What kind of plugin have you been working lately? Thanks for coming to the stream, dude. Appreciate it. Okay, let me see. I'm just working on the same type of things I was working on yesterday. I'm sorry the other day that I wasn't able to stay. The stream was having some audio issues. It was some Streamlabs bullshit. So I went back to OBS. Okay, let me try this again. Yeah, that one looks cool. I don't know. Okay, so what is this one? This one is Sonic Blade. Can I change the color of Sonic Blade? Does it have... Yeah, you can, but with fucking numbers. I don't want to do it with numbers, dude. Okay. Blackwater says, currently adding 3D modeling, rigging, animating, one plugin at a time. I'm making a Godot all-in-one so nobody needs to leave Godot or get other apps. Damn. That is a big-ass plugin, dude. Props to you. How long have you been working on this one already? Yeah, that sounds hard, dude. I think I just saw the other day, I was seeing some graph about one of these big game jams. I don't know which one it was, but it showed the graph of how many people were using Unity like 2 years ago, 3 years ago, and how many were using Godot, and Godot ate the fucking market. It's like 60% on that big game jam of people already using it. So it's yeah. Unity fucked up. Yeah, I know Godot is good, but I think Unity fucking up like 2 years ago, 2, 3 years ago. I can't even remember. Yeah, that's what made a lot of people, yeah, go into Godot, and now it's eating the market. Yeah, Blackwater says, little while now, had the idea itself long ago now. Already made like a little A sprite for the pixel art devs. Now the models for the 3D devs. Yeah, that's a lot of work, dude. How do you build? How do you go on building some shit like this in Godot? I suppose this uses C#, right? Or I am mistaken, or C++. I don't know how it works, like making plugins for Godot. Yeah, dude, Godot for a plugin market, I would say it's the way to go. And Unreal, I would say both, because Unreal has its marketplace, and I think a lot of people make a lot of money on that marketplace. I do use a lot the marketplace. I'm a consumer, and I can tell you I spend shit, and I am not a wealthy developer, and I spend money on it. So when Godot end up having some shit like that, dude, like Unreal Marketplace, Fab, or the Unity one, yeah, I think that's gonna go like a fucking rocket to the moon. But I don't know. There must be like a centralized place where you can get the plugins and stuff. But someone has like to make a serious one, I suppose. Where are you selling the plugins right now? How does it work with Godot? What's the vibe with the marketplace and everything? Okay, let's see. Let's find. Yeah, where is Dash? Where the hell is even that Dash coming from? That's interesting. Yeah. Yo, the music stopped. Please let me know if you're watching when the music stops, because I've got it there on repeat on YouTube and stuff. And yeah, sometimes I do not know when it stopped. Damn, I can see. Okay. No. It's not working, right? Yeah, I can see. Let me restart the capture. Okay, we are back with the music. Hell yeah. Blackwater. Oh, long message. Fuck yeah. You could do C++, but then you have to work. We're talking about plugins in Godot. You have to work around going constant builds to make the extension files. C# would only work in the .NET build, so that would alienate a large chunk of people. So GDScript in the performance has been fine for what you're doing. You'd have to spend a whole day doing optimizing though, but still Godot does have an asset store that replaces the asset library, but the store doesn't allow sales yet. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. But it's on the roadmap. But for now, this just gets my name out there. And a donate link if people are kind enough. Yeah, that does make it hard, dude. That does sound hard to make money, right? I'm thinking about the response I'm gonna give it to this without sounding like an asshole, because I do not use Godot and I don't want to sound like a hater of the engine. But I think, dude, these people have to wake the fuck up, dude. The people making Godot and that foundation behind the engine, that it is a commercial thing now. It is eating the market, and they have to wake up like for this kind of things. I cannot believe it is on the roadmap and it is not working yet. Yeah, that it's not allowing sales yet. I don't know if it's their open source vibe of, okay, we are not a commercial thing and we are not in it for the money and shit. Dude, if you just make that shit work, as the Godot Foundation make it work for so developers of plugins start making money, dude, it's gonna go to the moon, dude. What I'm telling you, it's gonna be the Unity marketplace of 4 years ago, and now it's Fab marketplace, the Unreal one. That one's just generating a lot of money, dude. It could be really, really cool for devs like you. Yeah, Blackwater says, but I will be the only person that has done 3D modeling, and I could use it as an example piece of work for posting services elsewhere. Yeah, the open source thing caused some issues to get started, but yeah, I feel it could be going faster than I don't think it could. I think it should be going faster than it is, dude. They gotta like wake the fuck up that Godot is big enough so they can start turning it into something more serious on the commercial side of things, dude. Yeah, it's crazy. I didn't know, dude, that it's on the roadmap. That's just code. That's just bullshit. That's gonna take two years. Yeah, and it should be on the horizon. Only Hans, what's up, my friend, my dear friend? What's up? What are you doing? What did you have for dinner? What the fuck is your handsome boyfriend? Is he working? I was just talking with Blackwater. We were just talking about game development, plugin development in this other engine, different from Unreal Engine. Okay, that dash thing looks... I'm gonna keep that one. Let me see. What was I doing? Okay. Using projectile hit VFX. Okay. Okay, yeah. This is the folder. This was the right folder. Sonic Blade. Let me see what are the settings that we have here for this one. Okay. Maybe that's too blue. Only Hans says, hi, we're eating Island Way Survey. Look it up. I'm gonna look it up. What the hell is that? Blackwater says there are other places, but realistically nobody's gonna use them. And itch is garbage. It is garbage for things like that. Yeah, like the itch algorithm having no real filters. Yeah, all the other bullshit is gonna eat your plugin. Yeah, itch my Pixel 1 has like 3 downloads and the asset store has 83, and itch was available first, of course. Yeah, dude. I don't want to sound like an elitist. There gotta be some kind of filter, dude. And itch not having that, it just makes it very, very, very hard for serious developers of stuff like this, like plugins. I would say games you can go viral and stuff, but for plugins, there just should be a different kind of thing, dude. And each IO of plugins and tools, because it's just a lot with no filter. Let me look for what Only Hans said. Island Way Survey. Okay, let me see. Let's see how this is looking. Then this is your dinner. What? What the fuck is like the crust? This looks good. What is this? Is this like a brand? Do you do this? Yeah, it's a brand, right? It's branded. This looks good. Is this dinner or this is dessert? Which of both? That's cool, Only Hands. Hell yeah. Blackwater says Unreal has had Godot on its roadmap since Fab has existed. They're not doing it. That's... No, dude, I am very sorry to be such an asshole, but they are not doing it, dude. The way that Epic Games is operating, yeah, that's not gonna happen. But they should be... Oh yeah, you said it. They're too slow. Yeah, they are. The way Epic Games operates, and they are operating yeah, Godot marketplace in Fab is not happening soon. So who's gonna take that initiative, dude? I wonder that about Godot. That is like the last step, I think, to make it go and totally eat Unity's breakfast. Only Hans says, not our dinner, our dessert. The other outer part is the skin of the fruit. It looks so cool. Did you make this? Or is it the one from the box? Because I think you can make it, right? Okay, Sonic Blade. Yeah. Okay, let me see. Holy energy. Yeah, I'm thinking like, what the fuck are those other ones not working? They're from the same pack. Only Hans says it's from Costco. Oh, from Grimeshine's trip to Costco. That was a big ass full cart of a lot of fun stuff. Did he have sirloin, grass-fed sirloin tonight for dinner from Costco? Yeah, that looks delicious. Yeah, the dessert. Okay, let me see. Yeah, so what we were talking with Blackwater, dude, it's too sad, too bad that no one takes that initiative, and they should already be. They should already be taking that initiative, because yeah, I saw that graph about that big game jam. I don't know which game jam it was, dude. Only Hans says, yeah, he did a good Costco run today. He had a tuna sandwich and I had beans and eggs again. Hell yeah. Yeah, healthy dinner. What did you eat for dinner? I had chorizo. No, I didn't have chorizo again. I'm joking. What? Oh my god, dude. Yeah, I did have it again, but in a different presentation. This time it was with eggs. What the fuck? I'm like eating that shit way too much. I think now that I'm processing how many times I've answered that same question with that same answer, I'm eating that like you. Only Hans says, I'm trying to not to eat sugar, but the piece of shit but island way sorbet, which I can't deny. Yeah, you got cooked, bro. You got cooked. Only Hans says, I had it again. Can you believe it? It was just a different presentation. Yesterday one looked like a sausage. The one today didn't. That it was like mixed with eggs. Yeah, what the hell, right? Okay. I don't know if I necessarily like the blue color of this. Yeah. It's like too blue for my taste. It's like okay, something lighter like that. Let me check it. I'm gonna debug the other ones in a bit, the ones that weren't working but were looking like interesting. I still don't like it. Okay. Okay, let me see. Where would that color be? I don't even know how this Niagara effect is built. Why does it have all of that, dude? Okay, I'll come back to this shit later. I don't have the mindset right now to be dealing with that. Okay, so we're gonna leave this one with that. Okay, what was the default? Okay, we're gonna leave with that one. That Sonic one. And I am gonna change the holy one. We're gonna create one for the holy one that looks not green, purple. Yeah, So let me see what number would be for the purple one. Dude, I want one of those desserts you people were talking about. Is the audio okay, Only Hans? Grimeshine, Blackwater? I think it's good, right? Because we've been talking. I am not using the same software as yesterday, as I told Grimeshine earlier. But I'm glad. I'm glad it's working as it should. Okay. Holy. What's up, nerd? What you doing? Dude. It worked. It worked. Getting back to OBS. I don't know what the fuck was I doing with Streamlabs and paying them that amount of money for their shitty ass software and service. Okay, this one. Color particle. Okay, let me find the blueprint of that one. Where's the holy energy? Yeah, this one's gonna be holy energy. No, holy energy 01. Only Hans says audio is good. Thank you, my friend. I appreciate it. Gracias. What are you doing tonight after having your non-healthy sugar filled dessert? Gramshin says video's been freezing. My fuck, dude. Oh, the camera has been freezing, but not the stream, but the camera. That's what you're saying? Okay, let me see. Let's see this shit. Camera. I don't know if this does anything, but let me see. Yeah. Okay. Let me know if it keeps freezing, if that did anything. I just pressed something on OBS, so maybe that helps. Okay. Let me see. Holy energy 2. Size. This is built in a crazy ass way. Yeah. Let me find maybe more purple. What number would that purple be? Oh, camera and stream. Both. Fuck. Yeah, I'm gonna have to check that out. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, if it's both, it's a bitrate thing. Okay, so I'm not gonna do 1080 tomorrow. I'm doing 1080 on Twitch. Yesterday I was doing a bit less than 1080, like 900 a piece, some shit like that. So I'm not gonna do full HD. I'm gonna do a bit less of full HD. So it's a bitrate thing. I gotta lower it then. I don't have that first world 1 gigabit internet like you. See? So this is what happens, dude, with the third world internet. You still have that quick ass internet you showed me a while ago. That was some quick ass internet. It was like 22nd century type of shit. Okay, let me see. We're gonna swap this one for Sonic Blade. No, we're talking about this one. That is too saturated, dude. I don't like that color. Okay, but I'm gonna go back to that other attack later. Let me set the attack for this one. Default attack. Okay, default attack is gonna be using holy energy 02. Crimson says, oh, now it's my fault. It is your fault, dude. My shitty internet is your fault. Yeah. Crimson says, yeah, 1 gig up, 1 gig. What a piece of shit. Do you know? I've got like, it's like 160 down, I think. It's not like, not super fast, but not super bad, right? But down, I have 20 megabits. So you have 980 gigabits more than I going up. That's why I cannot do a full HD stream. Can you believe that shit? 1 gigabyte up is insane, dude. Oh, Blackwater says here's a preview if interested. Yeah, let me check that out. Okay. Oh, hell yeah, dude. So this is Blackwater's work. You're working on a plugin for Godot. Let me check out the video. Yes. Oh yeah, dude, I can see it all inside the engine, right? That's really cool, dude. Have people been donating to your work, dude? Modeling, materials, you've been wrapping, rigging, animating, yeah, everything, right inside the engine. Have you gotten a good amount of donations and stuff? I hope people are supporting you, dude, because this looks really, really interesting. Yeah, let me check out the other one. Oh, hell yeah. Dude, Godot seems so different to me. I did open Godot a couple times, tried to learn it a long while ago. I didn't get the hang of it because I didn't have the consistency or the discipline at that moment to get the hang of it. But it's really cool seeing the whole UI with your plugin, dude. Yeah, props to you, dude. Congratulations, this is superb work. Good shit, dude. Crimson says looks dope. It does look dope. Yeah, Blackwater says the community doesn't know about this one yet. Hopefully someone's done not come from it. Yeah, dude, it looks dope. Thank you for sharing, dude. That is really, really cool. Good shit, dude. I hope you become famous and you become like the person that becomes a millionaire making the most famous Godot plugin. Those are my wishes towards your work. Blackwater says it also has extensions so people can write their own features to add on it, like they do with Blender. Yeah, dude, you're thinking about everything here. You definitely are thinking about everything. So that, yeah, you just need the fucking place, dude. What I was saying, the marketplace. A serious kind of thing, like the Unreal and the Unity one. Yeah, Godot in 5 is not happening. I am certain it is not happening. Okay. Yes, it's sad. It's sad, but that's just how it is. Okay. Let me see. Okay, this one. The EP project Holy Energy. Okay, yeah, I was lost the other time. So I am gonna use on this one Holy Energy. So which number would that kind of purple be? Did I create another version? Yeah, weren't. Okay, I think. Dude, I hate how this one is built. Gramshin says I think Godot in 5 could happen, dude. I think it should happen. But Epic just operate in a... Like, I've seen it up close, dude. Yeah, I've interacted on how they work. And they just keep like doing more layoffs and shit. Yeah, they want us. They should want a slice of the pie. They already host Unity plugins. Why not Godot? No, I don't mean that it's not gonna happen because they don't want a slice of the pie. I just don't see it happening on how stupid the decisions are currently on Epic Games. on how they're operating and not being focused, laser focused on the kind of things that matter, like this, like a Godot type of marketplace, or not doing stupid shit with Unreal Engine. I just don't have faith in them. I'm saying, I am not saying it's not a thing that I think should happen. It's just they don't seem competent right now to do that shit. Remember when Fab started, dude? That was a fucking mess for a good while, dude. Fab is now good, but it wasn't for a good while. Like, people hated it because of the mess it was at the beginning. Yeah, when it came from Unreal Marketplace. So it may be on the roadmap, I suppose, the Godot thing. But if they were smart enough and it was urgent, it would have already happened. Because Godot is eating the market. It is. The market share is like, I don't know if it's like 60% in indie games right now. And that is a big ass market to start making money, dude. Okay, what was I trying to do here? Where is the color here? Okay, Gramsci says, yeah, Fab is still lacking. Honestly, there's like no search filler features. Yeah, it just started having like stuff, basic shit like reviews just a short while ago. It didn't even have reviews for a long time. Just seeing them, how they operate, how slow they are, how messy they work. Yeah. Blackwater says, the only other thing I can do is guest host my own Patreon or Ko-Fi or something, and maybe my SEO can direct people, but I doubt that path too. Works for Sims, but I don't think plugins would have the same potential success. It is hard, dude. Yeah, I wouldn't discard the idea. Like, you should do it just for the sake of it, because maybe you could go viral one of these days, dude, with the Godot community, with some video that you post on YouTube or someone else posts, like some famous YouTuber or developer and shit. That could bring you a lot of traffic into the Ko-Fi or the Patreon. But it is hard to go that way. Yeah, it doesn't hurt, right? Just to throw it up. Yeah, like I've been doing that with my own shit. It doesn't hurt. But getting traction with your own stuff, like your own Ko-Fi, your own Patreon and stuff, it is slow, dude. It is really slow. So having a marketplace where you could do it would be really helpful. Dude, what did I even change here? I don't remember what the fuck was I doing here. Oh, did Unreal crash? I thought it had crashed. Okay, let me see. Is this a copy? Did I make a copy of this one? No, I didn't make a copy of this one. I'm just editing the original one like a stupid person. So let me get back to the right color of this. I'm just undoing. So I don't know. What was the original hue? Was it 0? No, it wasn't 0. 0.5. 0.4. Dude, I hate how this Niagara effect is built. I hate it. Yeah, it's the color hue is built with numbers, not the color picker. That is a bit of a headache. Okay, I think it was 0.6. Okay, we're gonna leave it at 0.6. Let me see how it looks with this one. Yo, Gramshine, how was your work today, dude? You didn't let me know. What's up? What did you build? What did you break? Are you building or breaking shit like me? I am breaking shit tonight. Okay. Yeah, that's the one. I think that was a color, yeah. I'm gonna duplicate this one. No, not duplicate that one. I'm gonna go to the blueprint and just Oh no, I know what I was trying to do, why I was trying to do that shit. No, let's get rid of that one. Ramsey says breaking is part of the building. It is. It totally is. Okay. Dude, I installed that plugin. You told me. Let me see if I enabled it. The one for the tabs. Because I can see the mess on my tabs right now. Let me see if I enabled it. Tab. Yeah, tab assist. I'm gonna enable it. I'm gonna figure that out later. Yeah, not right now, in the middle of the stream. Gramscian says just digging away at my state tree behavior system. Difficult ass system you're building there, dude. But you'll figure it out. I don't say it just because you're nice to me. I just know for a fact that you sooner or later end up figuring it out. Psychopath. Okay, color hue. Let me see. Projectile, generic terms. Where is that one? Okay. I'm gonna change the color on that one. Color hue. I don't even know. Ah, yeah, that shit looks cool. 1.3. Okay, we're gonna leave it at 1.3. This one. Yeah. Yeah, we're leaving it at 1.3. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna create a copy of this one. Holy energy. Oh, did I create another one? Okay. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. So this one was 02. Ramsey says, but thanks, dude. I'm not stuck on anything in particular right now. It's just a huge system, so it will take some time to put a dent in it. It does look like a big system. Like I told you when I saw that shit, I am not using state trees in any form or shape in my game, people. I didn't even know they existed before this guy told me. Just seeing it, the UI of that shit, that just seems like Unreal Engine 7. I don't know what this guy is doing. Okay, let me see. Yeah, I do not understand it anyway. What he's doing, 1.3. Okay, gonna leave that one there, and this one's gonna be holy energy 02. Let me delete that shit. I think this one goes well with the type of enemy. I want to like have the effects like go with the vibe of the visuals of the enemy. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's the color. That's the color I was looking for. Let me check it out again. Yeah. Okay, let's save. That's what we needed. Okay, let's try another one. Let me see this one. I think this one I'll leave the same one. Ah, shit. Yeah. Okay, so I'm using. Yeah. Nah, this is interesting. Yeah. Let me see. Oh, no. It's fine. I can do it. Yeah. No, it's fine. It's fine. Yeah, we can use it here. Yeah, thank God for enums. Are you gonna keep working tonight, Grimshane? Or are you done for the night? Are you gonna keep eating good desserts with your girlfriend? Yeah, I like that shit. Oh, I fumbled. Wrong timing. Yeah, let's save that. Dude. Okay, let me see. I gotta like fix this on the UI. Yeah, this one shows just okay, one number. That is correct. No. Yeah, this is correct. This is correct. Yo, Blackwater, did you go, dude? You still there? What have you been playing lately? Grabshin says I just crushed 2 island ways back to back and now Hannah is forcing me to do chores. He should force you to do chores after that, dude. Like, what the fuck are you doing? We are old millennial people. We cannot be eating back to back those kinds of desserts. Like I don't do that shit. Like, dude, my constant cycle in life is like the week starts, it's a Monday, and I say to myself, okay, I'm doing keto this week, and I start strong, and at around Wednesday night, Thursday night, I start to lose steam on the keto, and I end up doing that type of shit, like just, yeah, crushing back to back 3 fucking ice creams or some shit. It's hard, dude. It's hard to be disciplined with food. I've exercised in my life, and I've also gone on diets, and it's harder to go on diets than be disciplined with doing exercise. Okay, that shit looks good. Hell yeah. What was I gonna do? What was I saying? No, the UI is correct. What chores are you gonna do? I saw you the other day. I think it was yesterday. Yeah, yesterday or today. You were cutting the grass, right? Are you gonna cut the grass in the middle of the night? Okay. Okay, that shit is good. Hell yeah. Yeah, this is a mess of tabs. Let's start closing. Yeah, dude, I'm gonna start using that plugin I got, the one you told me. Okay, let's see these bitches. I don't know if I want. Yeah, let me see. Yeah, lighting tags. Okay, so what is that one doing? Okay. Okay, I think this one would look. No, because this one is, yeah, this one, the attack is different. Yeah, I don't think I'll be using one like the others on this enemy. 'Cause yeah, or maybe, yeah, let's see. Yeah, because there's a lighting happening there, or maybe we could see like the electricity or something. Yeah, some shit like that. Or maybe, yeah, maybe we can do it. Spawns. Yeah, let me see. Okay. Let me try one of those ones of the other. Yeah, let me see this one. Electric city projectile. Okay, let's see what electric projectile is. Let's see how it looks. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna work with this one, like sending the energy kind of thing. Oh, it's colliding now. Yeah, that bug is back. I don't fucking understand it. I do not get it. I thought these things were working. Yeah. Okay, so let's debug this shit. That one works. Oh, Professor Briggs, thanks for the follow. What's up? Thank you. How are you? Let me know in the chat what's up. What are you working on? Are you also making games? Thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. I'm sorry if there was a delay there on the on me seeing the notification. What's up, my dude? I'm just working here on my game, trying to figure out some VFX for the battles. What about you, my friend? Okay, let me see. Okay, the skull. It looks interesting, the skull. I don't think it works with this specific enemy, but it does look interesting. Why the other ones don't work? Let me see. Electricity projectile. Maybe this one, yeah. Professor Brick says, just looking for some fellow game devs. Games look neat. My dude, I am also looking for fellow game devs on Twitch. So I'm really happy you came into the channel. I appreciate your words towards the game. Yeah, it's called Spaceman Memories. If you want to check it out on Steam, yeah, please do check it out. Add it to your wish list because it really helps a lot. Yeah, this is my game, dude. What you're seeing here, it's my game. I'm making it in Unreal Engine. What about you? What are you working on? Please tell me more. I would be really stoked to hear more about that. Okay, let's see. Let me see if this electric thing. Okay, maybe it's too quick. So let's change the speed to 700. I think it's the speed of the other ones. Professor Rick says, haven't streamed in a while, dude. This is my second time streaming after taking like a year-long break. I think I did one stream on March, but I had been not streaming for like a year, so I just came back. It's my second day of coming back to Twitch. But you're working on an arcadey 2D roguelike. Yeah, it's my second day, dude. So I'm really happy to meet you here. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah, dude, it's hard to come back to streaming when you stop doing it because you enjoy the silence, but you also miss the interactions of the streaming vibe of the internet. It's a love-hate relationship. You get sick of it, but you also miss it. Do you have a Steam page for your game or an itch.io? Where do you post? If you post stuff about your game, please let me know, dude. What's the name of your game also? Okay, let's see. Oh, okay. Now it's looking interesting. The timing is correct. Sir Brick says, no socials for now. I got a niche page, but nothing there yet. Game is Beat Crusher. Oh, that's a cool name, dude. Okay, but there's nothing on the page yet. Because I could look for it and show it here on the stream, but if you don't want to show anything yet because there's nothing there, it's fine. Yeah, just let me know. You're in Instagram and TikTok and all those, but no pages yet. No. Oh, okay, dude. Yeah. So how long ago did you start making the game? I had an Instagram. I stopped using Instagram. I don't have a TikTok. I have thought about coming back to TikTok because I wanted to do lives, but you cannot do lives on TikTok, it seems, if you don't have 1,000 followers. So that really sucks. So, 8 months, give or take, working on the game, but it used to be a side thing. Now I'm working on it a lot more. Hell yeah, dude. It's always, I remember, dude, when I went, this game was a side thing. It was a side thing for like a year. Like I didn't get fully into it for like a year, because I was coming from another project, and I was like, okay, am I gonna do this or I'm not gonna do it? Should I look for a full-time job? Should I try to do another startup? So I couldn't decide. But when you do it, you start working on it a lot more, dude, it just starts moving. If you dedicate time to games, they're just start moving forward, dude, because that is the thing that games need the most. It's just time, dude. It's dedication. It's not even knowledge or being an expert or having the best idea that you think it's gonna be the best game in the world. It's just that. Yeah, giving them time. They are like babies. And I am not comparing myself to a parent. It's not even close. Like, being a parent is way bigger than this, but yeah, it's like a baby. If you nurture it, it's gonna start growing, dude. Professor Brick says commitment beats talent. Always, dude. I don't think talent. I think talent. Yeah, I think commitment beats talent in any field. It can be music, programming, art, painting, sports, anything. But I think especially, like, you could have some kind of talent for, like, oh shit, I'm sorry about the ads. I'm gonna wait for the ads to end. Okay, I'm sorry, Professor Briggs. Yeah, because we're on Twitch talking. If you're on YouTube, there's no ad break. But I'm just talking with Professor Briggs. I'm gonna wait for the ad break to finish. Okay, let me check this out again. Kinda getting there. Maybe what if I make it just a bit slower? Yeah, let me see. Okay, no. Yeah, it's gotta be quicker. Yeah, maybe 750. Oh, the music stopped. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, oh, yeah, that just happens with OBS. Sometimes you gotta be refreshing the sources for one or other reason. Okay, music is back. Okay, my friend Professor Briggs, are you there? Did you go? Yeah, sorry about the ad break if you were in the middle of that. Okay, let me see this. Yeah, I think 750 it is. Okay, I'm happy you're back, dude. Yeah, I'm sorry. Just automated ad breaks and shit. You know how Twitch is. What's the vibe? Yeah, dude, I was just telling you that there's different kind of fields, right? I think in sports, in stuff like sports, in a way, like, natural talent can really show in a more clear way, I would say, than yeah, commitment, right? It's not like you're gonna beat someone just because you're talented, but it can show naturally. In making shit like games, dude, your talent is horseshit. Like, it's not gonna make nothing happen, dude. Having talent before starting making a game, it's yeah, I don't think it's relevant at all. Yeah, you could be a super good artist, a super good programmer, have a lot of knowledge, and you gotta know how to eat shit, because you're gonna eat shit when you're beginning to make a game. So it's more of a mindset kind of thing. And getting rid of that mindset of I fucking hate this, you only get rid of that feeling after dedicating a lot of hours to making games. Yeah, I was just seeing a post today on Twitter earlier. Yeah. Dude, I am the president of the club of the people that I am the founder of this international club called Insane Game Devs, being driven insane by their own game. I am the founder of that shit. I know, dude. I know it drives you insane, because it drives me insane too, dude. That's what I'm telling you. It's not a thing about talent. It's just having the consistency, the resiliency of not losing your shit, dude, while making a game, because it's gonna take a lot of time and hours and energy in many ways, dude, both physical and spiritual. Yeah, brain energy, just everything, dude. It's gonna consume you. You gotta be ready if you want to make games for it to consume you. If you're not ready for it to consume you, don't start. Don't start. Yeah, dude, that's just how it is. Yeah, what I was telling you, that in this time and age, dude, people are looking for a quick buck, making a quick buck, making games, and it's just not compatible, dude. There may be people turning lucky in shit like Mecha Chameleon that just took 2 months. But people aren't seeing the full picture. Like, how many games do those guys making Mecha Chameleon, or how much experience did they have before making a game that just took them 2 months? They just dedicated a shitload of hours before that, dude. They never paint the full picture of saying, it took me 2 months to do this specific game, but I needed 5 years to learn how to make this game in 2 months. So yeah, there's no shortcut in making games. There is no shortcut, and a lot of people are looking for the shortcut, and it's not happening, my dude. Yeah, finding a shortcut in making games is not happening. Okay, I think we're keeping that one. Let me save that. Yeah. Okay, let me see the spawn point. Yeah, let me find the charging. Yo, by the way, did you tell me, did I ask you which engine are you using, or are you making your own engine? Yeah, how's that going with your game? Okay, FX enemy recharge point. I think I gotta move that one a bit lower. Oh, what? I thought I had... Let me see. Dude, when did that move? It should be here. Yeah, Professor Brick says on Twitch, using Godot. Hell yeah, making an engine is way too insane for anyone, not just for you, dude. You gotta be a certain kind of insane. You gotta be insane to make games, and there's a special kind of insane of telling yourself, I wanna make games, but make my own engine to make those games. That is a special, different kind of insane. Yeah, because just making games is gonna take you a long while. Adding an engine to that equation Just makes it psychopathic, I would say, dude. Yeah, props to anyone doing it, but I just find it extremely difficult. Oh, okay, yeah, I can see the charging point. Yeah, I don't know what did I moved it. Let me see. Yeah, that's the correct one. I don't know when did I moved it. Professor Brick says, if anything, maybe in the future I'll build some custom stuff for Godot, but at the moment it does everything I needed it to do. Yeah, dude. I think there's enough. This is not me saying that people should not make their own engines. I think just the sake of the challenge shouldn't be lost. The art shouldn't be lost, and there should be people making engines from scratch to make their games. But the engines that exist, Unity, Unreal, Godot, and any other one that's on the market, smaller ones, Game Maker, yeah, they are all enough to make whichever idea you have in your mind. We are at that point in human history that the engines that exist are more than enough to make any idea that comes to your mind. Yeah. Professor Brick says, how often do you stream? I'm gonna try to do 4 or 5 days a week from now on, my dude. I tried last year 7 days a week, and that was just too crazy. Yeah, probably gonna go head out in a sec. Yeah, I should be back tomorrow night, dude. Yeah, follow you on X and YouTube too, dude. Thank you. Yeah, Twitter. We'll just call it fucking Twitter, dude. Nobody calls it X. Yeah, Twitter, whatever. Yeah, thank you, dude. I appreciate you. I'm gonna follow you back. Thank you. I appreciate you coming to the stream, dude. I hope you have a good rest of your night, and I hope I can see you later back here on the stream. I'll be back here tomorrow, I think, and then I'll be back on Monday. Yeah, I don't want to be crazy and then burn out doing 7 days a week. But I appreciate it, dude. The conversation was really cool, and I want to see more about your work. Okay, yeah, Professor says, of course, dude, see you around. I'll check out your demo. Much appreciated, dude. Yeah, I'm trying to some of the things you're seeing here, you're not gonna see them on the demo yet in terms of like graphics things, but the mechanics, same ones, they are still already on Steam, so that would be really cool, dude. Yeah, appreciate it, dude. Have a good rest of your night. Goodbye. Okay, let me see. Okay, we're good with the music, right? Yeah, it had stopped, so if you're watching, please let me know if the background music stops at any point. Yo, where is... Okay, hell yeah. Dude, let me check something. I'm wondering. I am wondering something. I just want to see if there's any comments from YouTube that I may have missed. I hope the Restream bot is working. Yeah, because I'm using Restream. So I'm hoping that shit is working. Yeah, let me see. Let me just double check that. Oh yeah, Restream bot is working. Yeah, it's sending the messages over to YouTube. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, that's cool. Okay. Let's keep going. Okay, so I think for that enemy we'll keep that. We'll keep that attack. What about you, Mrs. Yamauba? This is default attack. Let's see. I think yeah, this one could keep that one. Yo, what the hell happened here? What happened with your effect? Yo, what the hell happened here? Yeah, it bugged out for some reason. did this? Why did this happen? Yeah. Okay, let me copy the stats from this one. Okay. Copy all properties in category. Okay. What else? I don't know why it happened. Yeah. Okay, I think we're good. Let's check out. I don't know why let me check if it's happening on the other one. No, we're good here. We're good here. Yeah, what about you? Yeah, it's just that one for some reason. Yeah. Okay, let's check it out. Yeah, I think that one we'll keep it. We'll keep it with that effect. Let's see the frogman. Frogman. What are you gonna use, frogman? Oh, I know which one you're gonna use, frogman. Okay. Let's go and see enemy attack energy. And this one's gonna be poison. Yeah, let's start organizing this. Water attack, yeah. Yeah, and this one's gonna be poison projectile. Yeah. Let's see if 750 works on the speed of that. Oh, hell yeah. Fuck yeah, I know that poison projectile would work on this one. I like that shit. It looks good. I like that. Okay, maybe I can move that thing, the recharge point, a beat, just a beat up. Yeah. We're good, we're good, we're good. Maybe this guy should recharge with a different kind of thing. Okay, we're gonna use the enum for that same thing. Okay, enemy recharge, and we are gonna create the function here. Okay. This one's gonna be recharge specs. Yeah, so now we can use different kinds. Oh, what? Why do I have two of those there? Charge. FX enemy spawn point type 2. FX enemy. What is this? Charge. Charge gather VFX. And where's this one coming from? Charge gather VFX 2. Okay. Yo, where are those? Oh, okay. Underscore. Yeah, here they are. Okay, so I'm generating those two. Okay, I'm generating light prepare root 1, spirit concentrate. Yeah. I'm using this one. Oh yeah, I know what I was doing. Yeah, where was the split concentrate? No. Where did that one came from? NS charge VFX NS prepare root wide prepare. Okay, this is that one. Yes. And this is NS charge. Where's that one, dude? Okay, anyways, let's just turn everything into the function. This one's gonna be enemy charge packs. Okay, let's try poison. I don't know. I am still not clear on when did I added this one or why. And it's charge. Here it concentrate. Charge. Focus power. Okay, here it is. It's this one. Yeah, I'm using a mix of the two. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see what's up with the user parameters. Yeah. Would I? No. Yeah. I'm gonna like duplicate this one. Or maybe not. Let's see if one of these ones works. No, this one looks like healing. Invoke. Wind. Interesting. Yeah, I changed the timing on this one. Mikey, ¿qué ondas? ¿Cómo vas? Ahí miré tu mensaje en Discord. Sí, no te preocupes, no te preocupes. Gracias por venir al stream. Ahí como te dije ayer, ahí disculpa que le doy en inglés. ¿Cómo vas? Me puedes responder en español o en inglés en el chat si querés. ¿Cuándo pensás comenzar a trabajar en lo que me habías dicho? So I'm just talking with my friend Mikey there. Yeah, he was telling me that he is gonna work on a project from scratch, starting a project from scratch. And I just asked him, yeah, what project he's gonna work on. Okay, let me see. Okay, yeah, this is the chart. I changed the duration on this one. The original one was infinite. Yeah, I changed it to 1. No, this flame, no. Ah, yeah, this shit it is. We're using this one. Okay. What did I delete? Do not crash on me, Unreal. Okay, yeah, let's delete this one. Let's delete this one. Okay, this is gonna be Dark Summon. Poison. Mikey says, yeah, you don't have a date. It's when you have time. Yeah, to start the project. So I'm gonna ask Mikey, what does he have in mind? ¿Qué tienes en mente de trabajar, Mikey? Yeah, okay, let's see. This one's gonna be Dark Summon Poison. Yeah, we're gonna mix and match this one. Okay, I'm gonna leave this one where it should be, which should be up here, just the default one. Oh, yeah, we'll see. Yeah, we'll work with the other ones. Let me just have a copy of this one here, and poison attack, which would be for that one. It's gonna use Dark Summon Poison. Yeah, and we're gonna turn this one into a green effect. So I do like the effect. Okay, yeah, we're gonna swap this one from purple to, yeah, that shit. Yeah, this green type of yellow. Okay, so let me see. No. Dark Summon Poison. Dark Summon Poison. Okay, and the charge, we are not gonna use the same charge. I don't like it for this enemy. Neither that one. Oh yeah, let's change the duration of this one. Currently, oh, the shit is different. Oh no, it's not different. Let's see, 1.5 could be interesting for this one. Yeah. Okay, let's just check it out. Let's disconnect this one just to visualize it. Okay, yeah, a bit slow. It's 1 second, not 1.5 seconds. Yeah, it's definitely 1 second. But yeah, we need the other one, right? Nah, maybe. We're gonna do this one. We're gonna call it Poison, and we'll swap it to that duration of 1. I think it's 1 on this one too. Yeah, and we'll change the color on that one. Queen Poison 1. Yeah, it does have the type of color tint that I would think. Let's move it a bit here. Nah, it's, yeah, let's see if it's too green. Maybe it's too green. Okay, so that one's called Invoke Wind. Awesome. Yo, Mikey, did you go? ¿Te fuiste, Mikey? ¿Ya has estado jugando, Mikey? I just asked Mikey, our friend, what has he been playing? Okay, let's see. Yeah, that shit works on that one. Maybe I can tweak the green. I don't know, maybe. But yeah, that is interesting. It starts a bit late. It feels right. But yeah, let me see. Yeah. I like that one. Maybe it's too small. Maybe 3 instead of 2.25. Okay, that's too much. Yeah, that's too much. Yeah. Yeah, size maybe 2.5. But yeah, looks good. Yeah. I gotta work on the collider of the shield for these attacks. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna fix that. Maybe right now, maybe not. Yeah. Okay, let's save that because it looks cool. We like it. Fucking Unreal crashed on me. Dude, it's been a long time since Unreal crashed on me. That is unexpected. Yeah. Yeah. What the fuck happened? Unreal shit in the bed because I'm on a live stream. Yeah, dude. It has been a long time since that happened. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Damn. I'm gonna stretch. Let's see what's up with the stream. Yeah, I gotta like work around with the bitrate of the stream. I can see there's drop frames. I gotta like reduce the resolution. Yeah, I'm gonna do that for tomorrow. I'm gonna fix it tomorrow. Okay, Unreal is back. Hell yeah. Did it save? I think it's saved. It must have been compiling some shit at that split second. I am also gonna... Yeah. I am also gonna make another version of that one. What that aura. What does this do? Yeah, no. Shit. I can see some shit I would like to use now. Oh. Yeah. I know what we're gonna do. Okay. Let me just try this. Where is that darkness aura? Yeah. Let me show up the color of this one on this enemy. Why doesn't it change it? Let me see. It doesn't. Yeah, this is it. Let me see. Yeah, these colors aren't doing shit. Smoke color. Okay. It does something there. Where are the other settings for this? Let's figure it out. This one. Directional burst. Okay, that smoke looks interesting. Yeah, let me try that one. Darkness. Okay. Yeah, that's doing something. It does look better for that enemy than the other one. I'll keep the other ones with the other previous armor. Maybe I'll keep that for certain kind of boss. I do like the spin. We lost the spin. This directional burst. Yeah, let's add it again. Yeah, it's face ribbon. Let me see what this one is. Okay, so that. Oh yeah, this darkness trail. Ah, so it's different ones. Huh, interesting. Yeah. Okay, so let me get this one darkness trail. Let's duplicate this one. This one's gonna be darkness trail. Poison. Yeah, so it's using a mix of different ones. That's why it wasn't changing the color. Yeah, what if they do this now? Yeah, there it is. So we get back here and swap that darkness trail with darkness trail. Yo, where is it? Why doesn't it appear? Darkness trail P, darkness trail poisoned. Yeah. Okay, I'm thinking. Oh, this is a material instance. I'm fucking stupid. Yeah, I am fucking stupid. Let me duplicate this. Yeah. Interesting shit. There it is. That's the shit we're looking for. Yo, our friend Vizca Barça, Nadanks. Hola, hola. ¿Qué tal? ¿Cómo vas? ¿Hablas inglés o solo español? I just asked our friend from YouTube. Vizca Barça. No sé si tu canal se llama Vizca Barça, si tu user es Nadanks, creo. Yeah, Mevan Go. Thank you for the follow. Mevans Go, thank you. I appreciate it. How are you? How are you in this fine night or day? Maybe you're in Europe or Japan. I don't know. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. I'm just here working on my game, building some stuff for the effects of the battle system. Yeah. What about you? What are you up to? Okay, let's see. Darkness Trail 3. Ah, okay. There it is, people. That's the shit we were looking for. It's a bit too extreme now. Oh, Professor Briggs. Yeah, we were just hanging out. Yeah, you're just organizing notes. That's really cool. What do you use for notes? What's your go-to software? I use Obsidian. What do you use? Are you also a fellow game developer like Professor Briggs? Nadanx says no English. Ok, nada de inglés. Ok, yo voy a traducir ahí. ¿Qué tal? ¿De dónde sos? I just asked a friend from YouTube, like, where they're from. Yeah, Obsidian. Fuck yeah, Evans, go. Hell yeah. Dude, I love Obsidian. Before using Obsidian, I tried so much other shit like everyone tries. I don't know. What's the famous one? I forget the name of that shit. The note-taking one that has a shitload of plugins now and it just turned into... Dude, I forgot. My brain is so stupid when I'm streaming. Note-taking software. Yeah, the famous one. Obsidian. Notion. I tried Notion and I didn't like it. I never liked Notion. I used Craft for a while and I did like it, but you had to pay to like get the good functionalities. So I just went with Obsidian, dude. And I fucking love Obsidian in every way. I love the plugins. I love that I can turn it into whatever I need. Evans Go says, your fellow game dev very early on your journey. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Nadanx, saludos desde Honduras. Yo también soy hondureño. Un saludo para vos. Mira, ahí disculpa, lastimosamente el canal lo comencé en inglés, entonces el contenido lo hago en inglés. Pero podemos seguir platicando ahí en el chat. Saludos. Desde Honduras para Honduras. Yeah, so I'm just talking with our friend Nadanx on YouTube, who's a Spanish speaker. I'm sorry, Mevansgo, if you were like, what the fuck is this guy saying? Yeah, I am from Honduras, so sometimes people from Honduras come into the chat and I just speak to them in Spanish so we can understand each other. Yeah, so yeah, we're just talking there on YouTube. I didn't know this person was from Honduras. They were just greeting me. So yeah, dude, Obsidian is the shit. I love Obsidian. I've been using it for a couple years now. Yeah, and dude, I love it. I do love Obsidian because of all the... Oh, what happened there? What happened there? Yeah, the color changed on the frog. Mevan Go says, do you have a playtest available for your game? No, that's fine. A close friend of mine is from Honduras. What? Small world. Is your friend living still in Honduras? Mi español is no bueno, but my English are Spanish, so I've been wanting to learn. Dude, you gotta learn. You gotta learn the Spanish. Yeah, it's not an easy language to learn. I teach Spanish to one of my closest friends, and it is not an easy language to learn, dude. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, I love English more than Spanish. Yeah, I do have a demo on Steam. Let me see. There it is. You can check out the demo. I have it already on Steam. Nadanx laughing. Nadanx, lo siento, ahí disculpa si estoy hablando la mayoría en inglés en el stream, pero puedo seguir chateando. Disculpa. Sí, pero es que la comunidad la construí en inglés. Entonces hago streaming en inglés. Ahí disculpa. ¿Vos de dónde sos? Evans Go says, very small world. Yeah, she's there right now visiting family. She should be back in like a week or two, and that's fire. Oh, so your friend is Honduran but lives in your country. Where are you from? If you don't want to say, it's fine. Don't worry. Yeah, that is so interesting. What city is your friend from? Yeah, you're from the States, Northeast. Yeah, I've got some friends on the Northwest. Yeah, Northeast. Yeah, this side. That's so interesting, dude. Yeah, small world. That is so funny. What engine are you using on your game development journey that you say you just started recently? And what's like your plan? Okay, people. I think this is too extreme. Yeah, this effect is too much. I think that one's too much. So let me see if I remove it and we keep the smoke. See, it does look good on this ones. Where's the other enemy, dude? Like, what? On these ones, it looks good. But then it's too extreme, too crazy with the other color. Yeah. Let me check it out again. It does make the enemy have aura. Yeah. Makes it look like, oh my god, this enemy has another color. Okay. Or maybe I'll keep it. Let's say that I'm gonna keep it. No, I'll keep it. I'll keep it. It's interesting. Okay, I'll keep that one. This one changed. Charging changed. Like, what the hell happened there? Let me see. BP. Okay. No, yeah. No, this one's using the correct one. Mikey, gracias ahí por decir que tengo el demo en Steam. I just said to my friend Mikey, thanks for letting know Mevans Go that I have a demo on Steam. Yeah, so did you see the link? Mevans Go? Yeah, there's the link, dude. I would really appreciate it if you checked out the demo if you have time. Also leave a review if you have time to. It's really helpful. I'm a solo developer, very limited marketing resources, so every bit of like support is really helpful in any way. Okay, okay, we're keeping that one, maybe. Yeah, Mevans Go. Hell yeah, I love long messages. All you know is that your friend is from a coastal city. Oh, that must be La Ceiba or Tela. One of those two, I suppose. Those are the big ones, coastal ones. You actually use a framework called libgdx. I've heard of that one. Yeah, you code a lot of things you use. You're making a 2D web-based survivor platformer. You're actually done doing a streamathon for the release, and we'll have a few game devs interviews showcasing their games. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah. That sounds really cool. And showcasing the games live on stream while nerding out. If you're interested in that, I am. Let me know if, I would love to have you. I'll share the link with my community on Discord now. Thank you, dude. Thank you. I just followed you. You can find me on Discord. That's also as NerdyPunkDev. Same username everywhere. Discord, YouTube, Twitch, everywhere. So just add me, dude. I am totally interested. Yeah, I just followed you. Thank you. Thank you. That's really cool, dude. When are you planning to start this? Okay. Let me see. I'm gonna give you a shout out. Hell yeah. Shout out to Mevans Go. Go and follow Mevans Go. Naranxes, tienes que ganar la partida. Solo estoy probando aquí cosas de mi juego. O sea, por eso a veces se ve como que los enemigos me ganan. Mevans Go says, okay, sounds good. I have a few creators in the mix. No need to shout me out or follow. I just want to nerd out with some cool devs. I'll reach out to you privately. Hell yeah, dude. Hell yeah, let's go. Saniac, yo. What's up, my dude? Dude. Long time no see. I know, I'm crazy. I just go silent. I go radio silent. Stop streaming, stop. Saniac Game says on YouTube, yo brother, how soon is the game launching? Dude, I am aiming for a launch before Grand Theft Auto 6. Just that's I don't want to get close to that shit. So that is the plan. I hope I can accomplish it. I am gonna accomplish it. I'm not only hoping, I am accomplishing that shit. If I am healthy and everything, if I do not die, I am accomplishing it. Releasing it before Grand Theft Auto. What's up, dude? How's life? How have you been? What have you been working on, my friend? Mevans Go says September 13th. Yeah. Oh yeah, in September you'll be streaming non-stop. So I need to. I know, dude. That sounds like a hard idea to do a streamathon. So props to you for doing this, dude, with fellow developers, creators, and artists. That is an awesome idea, dude. And I am gonna support you in any way I can. Hell yeah, Mevans Go. Hell yeah. Segnac says on YouTube, dope. The game is a strong launch. Thank you, dude. These are hard times. Hard times on Steam, dude. You know how the vibe is. The algorithm is hard. Next Fest is hard. Getting those clicks and that support and everything is hard. The traction, right? Traction with the Steam algorithm is hard. But we keep going, dude. We keep going. I may go radio silent, but I don't stop. I don't never give up or anything. Yo, Mevans Go, thank you, dude. Thank you. I really appreciate that. That means a lot. Oh my god, dude. Thank you, dude. I'm just happy about that. Mevans Go just subscribed. Yo, shout out to you, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, I just came back, dude, to streaming. I was very consistent last year. I just came back. I'm gonna try to be consistent on weekdays, because then it gets too overwhelming if I do it on the weekends. But that means a lot, dude, and makes me pumped to keep going. So I really appreciate it, my friend. Yeah, I'll be supporting you too, my friend. Appreciate it. We just reached the sub goal. Hell yeah. Thanks to you, my dude. Fuck yeah. Dude, this is a great stream. I love the vibes. I've met new people. I've been talking with my friends. Good vibes. Hell yeah. It feels like a Friday. It's not a Friday, but it feels like a Friday because the vibes are so cool. Yeah, Nadanx says Desde la Patria. Yeah, let's go, dude. Yeah, Nadanx is from Honduras and is asking me for a shout out to Honduras. Un saludo, brother Nadanx en YouTube. Gracias por el apoyo. Espero puedas jugar mi demo ahí. Ahí puedes encontrar los links de mi YouTube. Gracias. ¿Cómo encontraste mi canal, por cierto? I just asked Nadanx how did they find my channel on YouTube, because it's interesting. I always wonder when someone from Honduras finds the channel, because all the content I've been doing it in English. Mevans Go says it was cool meeting you. I'll be reaching out soon. Hell yeah, my dude. Hell yeah. Appreciate it. Appreciate it. Thank you. Means a lot. Okay, we'll be talking. We'll be in touch. I am excited about your streamathon. I just came back to streaming. I'm gonna be trying to be consistent and thinking and seeing about a streamathon, a fellow streamer. That is hard shit, dude. Hardcore. And it makes me pumped. Let's go, Mevans Go. Yeah, you should tell your friend you have a new friend from Honduras too. Nadanx says you were watching YouTube and you found it. Estaba viendo YouTube y de la nada te apareció en vertical en el teléfono o en la computadora. So interesting. Yeah, I'm using the dual streaming functionality now. I'm using it on Restream, and that's a really interesting thing to reach new people on YouTube. I definitely saw that I was getting more views on the vertical stream than on the horizontal one on YouTube. Mevans Go says, of course, Professor Biggs, highly recommended. We have you, and I will. Thank you, dude. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yeah, we just bonded earlier. We were just talking about making games, how hard it is to make games. So just meeting you two now, having these new friends, bonding, seeing your projects, risky projects, hardcore projects, makes me pumped. Thank you, Mevans Go. I appreciate it. Nadanx says on YouTube, they found me on the TV, on the telephone. Yeah, vertical stream. See, new people end up finding that vertical stream. It's so interesting. Segnac says, no worries about the constant streams. You are close to launch, so it's understandable to be busy. Yeah, you are not wrong, dude. It is hard to keep streaming right, while finishing a game and shit. But I just want to come back, dude. Come back and do it. Finish the game. Show the process of finishing a game, dude. Because it makes me accountable. Yeah, I don't want to lose steam. I've been slacking this last few weeks, dude. I can honestly say that I've been slacking, and I want to lock in again. Get back. Yeah, get back in the saddle, lock in, go head first into making the game and doing the streaming and everything, doing the content. I'm gonna be like releasing shorts. Just try to throw anything I can into the internet to make the launch the best way possible. The Dank says, bro, y no, mira que lo encontraste en el teléfono. Qué buena onda que encontraste el stream en el teléfono, Nanks. ¿Vos trabajas en programación de algún tipo? I'm just wondering how the YouTube algorithm is working and how people are finding these streams. What happened there? Something changed there. Oh, let me see. Yeah. Oh, was me changing those materials and those effects changing something from the what? Oh, then yeah, let's see. Segnac says, I remember my last release, I was so stressed, I was sick for the whole week during that stage. I know, dude, I know. Yeah, dude, you know how it is. You've released the game on Steam. Our friend Segna Games released the game on Steam already. You know how hard it is. How is that one going, dude? The sales, have you been on events, on sales? Has that given you a bump on wishlist, on sales? I hope it has, dude. What about your new game? Tell me more about your new game. What's the name? What's the vibe? I saw you said something about it. But if you have a Steam page already, send it over on the chat, dude. That would be really cool. Okay. So something changed here. So poison is dark summon poison. Okay, so let me find that. Yeah. Dark summon. This one is in charge gather. Yeah. What happened? Why did the color change? I had already done this one. Bro, hadn't I changed this stuff already? Okay, I'll save that. For some reason, yeah. Okay, let me see. This one. Charge dark summon poison. Yeah, that is correct. Invoke wind poison. I didn't save them. Yeah, I'm stupid. I didn't save them. I thought I had saved them. Yeah. Okay. Let me see. Let's make it more yellowish. Is this doing anything, dude? No, it's doing something. Yeah, it is. It definitely is. Okay, it's a bit lost there on the color wheel. Okay, I think that's the color. Okay, let me see. Segnac says on YouTube, I keep you posted, homie. Been working on Blender tools that make the process easier. I even released a shape key make on ArtStation to help other devs out. Oh hell yeah, dude! Could you link it? What you this one? Yeah, the tool, the shape key make. Yeah, could you link it? If you can, if not, let me know. If you could send it over on Discord. I don't know how the bot is set up right now. If it's blocking links on YouTube or not. I'm sorry, it's my second stream after a while. So yeah, dude, send it over. I want to check it out here on the stream. Okay, did we save this yet? Okay, it is saved, right? I didn't save it. Save it. I'm stupid. Yeah, let's check it out. Yeah, let's go. Ah, okay. What about that charge? Yeah, the charge. Someone. This one should be 1. Duration 1. And then it should. Yeah. Yeah. There it is. Hell yeah. This is working as it should. Let me change the data. Okay. Sagniak just sent me the link on Discord. Thanks, dude. Let me open up the link. This is called Sane Shape Key Maker. Check it out, people. I'm gonna link it on the chat, dude. This is ArtStation. I'm gonna send it on the chat. This is Sagniak Games work. I'm gonna check out the trailer, dude. Let's check out the trailer. Oh, how long have you been working on this, dude? This is crazy, man. Hell yeah, dude. What are you using for this, dude? How does this work? Is this Python in Blender? Yeah, dude. You are locked in, my dude. How long have you been working on this one? Dude, I'm really happy, dude. It's been a while since we talked, and seeing you now working on this, that's really cool. Mevans Go says, make sure your Discord user. Yeah, dude. Yeah. My Discord user is NerdyPunkDev. This one. And you can find me also, yeah, on my Discord. But it's the same user as on Twitch. No, it's public. It's fine for me. Yeah, I don't need to send it over on Whisper. Yeah, just anyone can contact me. So if you have a different username on Discord, just let me know. I'm Evans Go. Don't listed in the about page. Yeah, I'm stupid. I'm gonna add that, dude. I'm sorry. Yeah, but I'm just NerdyPunkDev everywhere. I just try to keep it consistent. So if you are different on Discord, you're not Mevans Go, please let me know. Yeah, when you send me the message, I'm gonna accept your friend request. Taking access on YouTube I took 4 months, and it's a Blender add-on. Python, yeah, I figured it was Python. Good shit, my dude. Good shit. Thank you for coming to the stream and sharing it. So people, if you're working with Blender character animations, face animations, you can check out Sane Shape Key Maker from our friend, fellow game developer Sagniak Games. Yeah, this guy has proven himself. He's already released the game. Now he's making tools. So props to you, my dude. Good shit. Okay, let's get back to these effects. Dude, when did you start? When did you like set to yourself, okay, I'm gonna use Python and start making tools for Blender? That is just so surreal for me. So I just don't know how it works. I suck on Blender, so just making add-ons for Blender just sounds even more difficult, my dude. Okay. Yeah, we're good with the Frogman. Let's see what this bitch is using. This bitch is using web attack. Okay, so I don't think, okay, let me see. Okay, so web attacks. Web attack was already a projectile. Yeah, second access on YouTube just used Grok to help and wanted custom tools to speed up 3D game development. That's so interesting, dude. You're the first person that tells me you are using Grok for development purposes. I don't think they have done the work, the marketing work, right, for more people to adopt Grok. And how was your experience with Grok? Is it really good? How do you compare it with the other models? Are you using it like on the web, or does it have like a desktop client where you can do the agent kind of thing like Codex and Cloud Code? Okay, let me see. I don't think. Okay. Yo, what the fuck happened? The fuck happened with this one? This one is web attack. So let me see. Enemy attack, hit effects, web attack. Okay. Yeah, this is from the other one. Yeah. Okay, let's see if this is poison big explosion. I don't know what that is. Oh, what? Oh, I don't. Do I need this return node? Bro, what's happening? Technic says I have some more of my own personal use, like low poly creation tools you've been working on. You have it on the web and desktop client. It has project organization feature and remembers old chat. Well, that's really cool, dude. If it's been working for you, that's really interesting, because it hasn't gone mainstream in the programming ecosystem, right? Like, everyone knows it exists as a bot that answers shit on Twitter, and you can ask questions like ChatGPT, right? But it hasn't been adopted in the mainstream of the programming ecosystem. So it's cool that it's working for you, dude. Yo, what the fuck is up with this shit? Yeah, this one's broken. I don't know when did I break it, but it's broken. Let's fix it. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Okay, no. We're getting rid of this shit. We are gonna do it here. BP spawn projectile. Yeah, we're gonna do it on. Okay, this was BP spawn web projectile. Yeah, let me see. Do we have another web projectile? Oh, the spider is broken also, because that one is also using this one. Staniak, what have you been playing lately, dude? Or anyone else in the chat, please let me know if you're watching. If you haven't chatted, send a message. I do not bite. Let me know what have you been playing, what have you been working on, what have you been building. Okay, let's get back here. So web attack, we are gonna no, this charge attack energy. Yeah, the web attack, we don't have anything here, and that one should be the third one. So let's move both of these ones up here. Is that enough space? Yes, it is. Yeah, so I think that one is yeah, it's PP. Okay, web spawn spider web. Yeah, spawn web projectile. Okay, so which one is it? Saying exists on YouTube playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla and Stellar Blade. Oh, that's cool, dude. Why did you decide on Valhalla right now? If the new one came out, the pirate one. Not hating, just asking. I didn't play Valhalla. So how are you finding it? Okay, BP spawn web projectile. Okay, let's see if that shit is broken or not. These colliders are a headache, dude. Shit. Okay, that one's working. Hell yeah, it is working. Let's check it out again. Okay, so that is fixed. Let's try it again. Okay, that's too quick. That shit is too quick. Impulse power is too much. So let's change this one to 1500. Let me see. Oh, now it's now it's, yeah. Okay, this is different because it's like narrow. It has the arrow kind of thing. It doesn't. Okay, let me see. Web. So what am I using right now? Spawn web projectile. What about web projectile? What does this one do? Yeah. Yeah, let me see. What about web projectile? Yeah, maybe that one doesn't have that physics like an arrow. Seniac says I have Black Flag already, the OG one. No need for the remake. I did finish the OG. Yeah, I love the OG one. People say the new one is really good. Some games still hold up. They do hold up, dude. I loved Black Flag. Yeah, it felt like a Caribbean vacation when I played it. When did that game came out, dude? What year was this? It feels like a lifetime ago. Okay, let's see. Okay, I can see that shit. Let's change the rotation. I think this one is better, yeah. And is this one gonna have the fucking problem of the collider? Is it? It's having the fucking problem of the collider. Damn! Where is that coming from? FX enemy attack. Spawn point, yeah. Damn. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Oh, I can use one of the new ones. No, I think I want to keep the web for this one. Oh, or maybe the skull. Maybe we can use the skull on this one. Yeah, I could save a headache or two using the skull. And we're gonna, maybe I change the color of the skull. No, it's broken again. Shit was working and now it's broken. Damn. Poison skull. FX enemy. Okay. Enemy attack. Pawn. Yeah. I don't know what the fuck is up with this, dude. I don't know it's colliding with something. I just can't figure out because I've got a lot of shit happening there. Oh, I'm fucking stupid. Did you see that shit? Yeah, it's going to the other side. I am fucking stupid. So I don't have to do the rotation on -90 on the, yeah, this one's 90. I am fucking stupid. Yeah, it's going the other way. Okay, so let's undo that. Undo. Yeah, so where was that? Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this one should be 90. No, mine is 90. Yo, what time is it? How long have I been streaming? 2 hours and 48 minutes. Cool. Let's keep going. Maybe yes, maybe not. Let me check that out again. I don't know. Yeah. Let me see. Segnac says, oh, the yellow smile. What's the YouTube emojis are so different. It's crazy how they're so different, right? I like them. I do like them. Okay. Okay, let's see that one again. I'm still on the fence on this one. I may change the color on that. I may keep it for this enemy. Yeah. I fucked up. Yeah, I knew that was gonna crash on real. Did I save? I don't. Signac sending the other emojis, the normal ones. Yeah, like. Are you watching on the phone or on the computer on YouTube? Did you see I've got a vertical stream now on YouTube? Fucking sucks like Twitch. You can do it. You can do both dual streaming, but you need like a special kind of video card on the computer you're using. And I don't have that shit. It'd be cool to have the vertical one on YouTube too. Oh, the music stopped. Okay, let me restart that. I am sorry about that. Sorry for that silence. Okay, let's see. There we go. Okay, let's try the spider. Let me see the Spider Woman. How is she holding up with our new battle effects? Okay. Bitch is gonna kill me. This is a strong ass enemy. But I just wanna see the effect. Oh damn. No. Yeah. No. Wrong. That is wrong. Let's add another one to that enum. Because this is not, yeah, the web attack, yeah. Yeah, we're gonna add another field to the enum. Okay, so web attack. No, let's work on the spider. And then I'll get back to the other one. Yeah, this one's gonna be... Segnac says spider waifu. She's based... This enemy. Oh, is the video stock? Dude. I think the video is stock, right? Please let me know if the stream is like bugged. I can see it's like, yeah. Okay, please let me know if the stream stops at any point, like it freezes. Okay, I hope it doesn't freeze. So Segnac just said to me, spider waifu. So this enemy, this specific enemy, toxic enemy, I just based it on all my exes. Yeah. I am giving them A tribute. It's a homage to all my exes. That specific enemy. Nice spider wife, right? Let me see. Okay, let's. Yeah, it's not that one. Okay, big vital spaceman. Let me see. Web projectile. 90. Yeah, I think this should work now. Maybe. Okay, let's see what's up. Yeah, that one is it. We're keeping that one. We're keeping. Or no. Shit. How did the other effect look? Let me see. Let me see how did the other effect look. Because I cannot use the delay now because it's inside the function. Yeah. Yeah, let me see if the hit effect. Yeah, that's too late. That is too late. The web projectile is working, but the hit effect is too late. So let me check that out. Okay. Okay, this is enemy attack hit. Okay, let's see. So yeah, no, I cannot use the delay here. Oh, and web attack doesn't have anything. Let me see. Let's add that shit. Web hit, I think. This looks interesting. No, but I'll keep it for something else. Web hit 1. Yeah. Yeah, let me see. Yo, if you're watching, anyone watching on YouTube, Twitch, please hit subscribe, and also please wishlist my game on Steam. Okay, let me see. Yeah, don't forget to wishlist Spaceman Memories on Steam. If you wanna find the link, I'm gonna link it right now in the chat. There it is. You can find it on the link in the chat. Let me see. The timing is off. Yeah, let's see. The timing is off. Is it? Or do I just need something more dramatic there? Yeah. Let's see what this shit does. I'm just gonna try it. Like, fuck it, right? Yo, Saniac, did you go? Dude, if you haven't left, or anyone else watching, please let me know if the stream has been stopping in any way. I was seeing it on the other screen. I'm just unsure. It was freezing. Okay, let's check that out again. Saying says stream good on my end. Oh, hell yeah, dude. So it was just the website I was checking on the other monitor. Hell yeah, dude. Thank you for letting me know. I appreciate it. Okay, that effect. Yeah, the projectile is correct. The projectile is correct. lagging a bit. Yeah, I think that's just because I'm far away from the US. That one always happens. If I was closer, it would definitely be lagging less. Okay. That's a bit late. Yeah. Oh, I'm fucking stupid, dude. Wasn't even connected. Okay, let's check that out again. I did not see it clearly. Yeah. Okay, let me change that spawn point so I do not spawn on top of those trees. And I just spawned on top of another fucking tree. Yeah. Okay, there it is. Let's see. It looks interesting. I saw the web effect. It stays like stock. Yeah, on the mesh. That is interesting. Yeah. That is interesting. Yeah, we've got P1 projectile. Yo, what if we use this shit? Am I already using this one? No. I'm already using it. Yeah, that's the one I'm using. It just looks different when you use it. Okay, let's try one of the other webs. I'm using P's. Let's see how this shit looks. I think I'll just make it bigger. Yeah, so it's more prominent. I want it to be more prominent. We want to overdo those effects. Ah, shit. Wrong timing. Okay, yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Did you see that shit? Did you see that shit? That shit is good. Okay, just for playtesting purposes, we're gonna change the level of this bitch because she's too fucking difficult and I cannot fight her. We'll leave her at level 1. Yo, that is a nice effect because I can see there's like a spider web on the floor. Check it out. It's coming. Check it out. There it is. Oh, that is cool. Oh, yeah. We're using that one. We are using that one. Hell yeah. I may make it a bit bigger. But that's the one. Yeah. Let's get that back to level 9. Okay. Let me find that effect. This one is from Silence VFX update 1.3. Spider web mask. Stylus BFX pack. Okay. Sagnac says that's dope. It is dope. That little effect, dude, of the spider web sitting on the floor. I hadn't used that one, so that is an interesting effect. Yeah, let me see if I can tweak the size of it so it's more prominent. Okay. Web, it would be this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. Spider web mask. Yeah, I think it's this one. Yeah, duration scale 10. Let me see. 20, 30. Let's go fucking insane and do 40. Yeah, let's see how 40 looks. Did it change? No, I don't think it did. But is this the right one? Yeah, I think it is. Masks. Oh, or is it this one? Oh, that one's skeletal. And this one is... Oh no, it's that one. It's this one. Yeah. Let's change the level back to 1 so we can do a couple hits on it. Still not changing. Okay, what if we save? That was the issue. I didn't save it. Okay, movement, yeah, rotation, duration. Yeah, I'm not. I'll just try to find something else to do, and like get back to that one to tweak the size of it. Yeah, because we gotta get some sleep. Yeah, I'm trying to fix my sleep cycle, so I'm not gonna overdo it tonight. Yeah, we're on the 3-hour mark. This was a really cool time. We've got new friends, new subs, new chatters. It was a really nice stream. I really enjoyed it. So for anyone still watching, I appreciate it. Do not forget to subscribe to Wishlist My Game on Steam. You can also find my Discord if you want to share your work or learn more about my game. I just sent the Discord on the chat. I'm also sending the link to my game on Steam. This was a really fun time. I am coming back tomorrow. Think same time. Yeah, I think at the same time. So it was a lot of fun, people. Thank you. I really appreciate it. Anyone that's still watching, I really appreciate it. I do hope that you have a good rest of your night or day wherever you are. This was a lot of fun. Bye bye.